Yellowstone National Park is a beautiful landscape that is located mainly in Wyoming, USA. It was designated as a national park in 1872 by President Grant. When you look at this park, you see great beauty in the land and diverse wildlife. But what you're actually seeing is the world's largest volcano. Now, many scientists say that if this volcano were to erupt, it would only just seep out lava and not violently erupt. But what happened if this volcano were to truly and violently erupt? How would it affect the world? Now, to answer this question, we must take a look at how large this volcano truly is. The caldera of the volcano is 34 by 45 miles long, with a total land area of around 1,500 square miles. To help put this in perspective, that is larger than the size of Rhode Island. Of this caldera, the magma chamber under it is 55 miles long and 18 miles wide, covering an area of around 990 square miles. This supervolcano has a tendency to erupt every 600,000 years, and it last erupted 640,000 years ago. The eruption before that was 1.3 million years ago, and the one before that 2.1 million years ago. So we are a little overdue for an eruption. So what happens when it does erupt? Well, first, the immediate surrounding area is gone. It will be covered in molten rock and meters in volcanic ash. It's predicted the amount of ash that come out of the eruption will be around 240 cubic miles due to the studies of past eruptions. This is enough ash to cover the entire United States. This ash will kill crops in all the Great Plains and the majority of the United States. Livestock will die from breathing in the toxic volcanic ash that is floating in the air, creating food shortages and causing economic problems. And if there was no evacuation of the area, over 90,000 people will die almost instantly. The global climate change would also be deeply affected by this event as well. Models have shown that the average temperature of the Earth can fall up to 2 degrees Celsius, throwing us into wild weather patterns, also creating ice age like weather patterns for all of the northern hemisphere. Now, if Yellowstone was to violently erupt, it would affect the world in climate change, the economy, the food production, and many lives will be lost. But the odds of this are happening are very slim. Many scientists say that if Yellowstone were to erupt, it would only seep out lava, not affecting the world in a dramatic manner like a violent eruption would.